Sa mapagpalang umaga po. Yan, September 10, 2025 po. Tender operation. Dito kami ngayon sa Sidispur, Iceland. Ito po yung tender number 2. Ang nagdadrive dito yung boss ko. Yan, si Chief Ante. Yan. Very smooth. That's my Chief. See, very smooth Yan. Yan. There you go. That's my boss, Chief Ante. There you go. Very smooth. Gangway, shore side. Tender 2, shore side alongside.